And we're just weeks away from the start of the Texas Senate impeachment trial of suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton. His team has filed multiple motions asking to dismiss all of the 20 articles of impeachment. Capitol correspondent Monica Madden looks at how the lack of precedent already affects the course of the case.
Lawyers defending Ken Paxton fight to stop the impeachment trial from ever starting. In one of their 13 motions filed this weekend, Team Paxton accuses the House of trying to overturn the will of millions of Texas voters in an anti-democratic attempt to defeat Ken Paxton through impeachment. Meanwhile, attorneys prosecuting the case look for clarification on the rules of the unprecedented trial, questioning details like time limitations and usage of cell phones on the floor. The pre-trial jousting marks a dramatic start to the impeachment trial, and with all of the attorneys under a gag order, they're airing out their grievances with the process in hundreds of pages of documents.
We're dealing with lawyers here, and you can't stop them from doing what they want to do. And then those pre-trial motions are part of the public record, and you can read from part of the public record. So they read the nasty things they say about the charges against Ken Paxton from that record.
According to the rules, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick, who will preside over the trial, could rule on any of these motions on the day the trial begins.
I think the beginning of the trial will be a flurry of announcements and votes, and then we'll get down to opening statements.
So far, Patrick has not commented on the motions to dismiss or potential violations of the gag order. Monica Madden, KXAN News.
Attorneys on both sides have until August 15th to file response to any of their opponents' pretrial motions. In order for any of the articles of impeachment to be dismissed, Patrick will have to bring that to a vote where a majority is needed.